The Lake County chapter of University of Illinois Extension is designing a garden for people with disabilities. We won't have access to water or power, so the garden has rain barrels. The barrels have a hose and a lid to keep out mosquitoes. For power, we have a solar cube. With it, we can use power tools and charge phones. It can be rolled inside at night. So let's imagine we're in a wheelchair. At the first raised bed, we have herbs. A sign in Braille tells the person to snip and sniff the herbs. At the next raised bed, the person can enjoy a vegetable garden. The produce will probably go to a food pantry. At the last raised bed, the person can see a perennial garden with blooms across the season. Between the raised beds are grasses, Apache Rose and Dixieland. Going around the last raised bed, the person will have a surface that is especially good for wheelchairs. One brand is Bath Mat, which is blue, flexible mesh, reinforced plastic matting. It occurred to us because disabled Army vets need this kind of thing to maneuver on the sands of Normandy Beach as the highlight of the honor flight. The center of our garden has a tall pyramid filled with vegetation and rings. The rings hold water. Next to it there's a chalice planter filled with flowers. A solar fountain on the ground provides soothing sound. Water is pleasant to watch, flow, and fall. People can sit on benches to enjoy the peace. We also have a dogwood tree and a serviceberry tree in big planters. The dogwood blooms white in the spring and the serviceberry has spectacular color in autumn. Between them we have a trellis with climbing, flowering vines, then another trellis.